Just before this video starts, I want to give a shout out and an ad for the cab taxi, a British taxi in Bangkok which goes to anywhere, especially at Don Mueang Airport. And a shout out is 600 baht only. Going to the airport, nothing special here, just going to the airport. Look at this cute robot cleaning, it's telling you to subscribe. So you should subscribe right now. I was walking the red carpet because I was in the hot seat. I will tell later on what a hot seat. Okay, here's our flight. Now consider FJG182 is an A320. Airbus A320, I think it's Airbus A320-216 or 214. I don't know, maybe 216, but it says on flight radar is 214. I don't really know, but here's our flight obviously. And that is like a no cab place in Don Mueang where they sell all this. And look, they're so very cute. They look like ducks and birds. They're very cute and very cute. And now and if you're wondering why
ซึ่งจะเดินทางไปยังนครศรีธรรมราชมีความจำเป็นต้องล่าช้าเนื่องจากรอเที่ยวบินขาเข้ากำหนดเวลาออกใหม่โดยประมาณคือเวลา 19:35 นาทีสายการบิน AirAsia ต้องขออภัยในความไม่สะดวกมาณที่นี้ขอบคุณค่ะ
So our flight just got delayed by around 50 minutes. Why?
ขณะนี้เครื่องบินอยู่ในระหว่างการเติมน้ำมันค่ะเพื่อความปลอดภัยกรุณาปลดสายรัดเข็มขัด Process For your safety, please release your seat belts. All electric devices such as mobile phones, laptop computers are to be switched off. Please note that.
Don't worry guys, I got it. Now the plane is taxiing. Now the plane is taking off or departing, as somebody would say that. Then when the plane reaches cruising altitude, I got this apple juice. It's free for hot seat, and I don't know why I took this video. It looks so stupid. Right, it looks so stupid. I kind of have to choose something. Since it's a short distance flight, there's no entertainment, and AirAsia is a low budget airline. Budget airline means there's no entertainment or whatsoever, and just a little bit of food, and you have to pay it, I guess, too. But not on fire, I don't think you have to pay, but so that's not entertainment, so I have to do this. There's basically nothing else to do to entertain yourself unless you just play with the stuff on the plane or just look at the menus, safety information, sheet, whatever. It's just there's nothing else to do, and look at all these very good meals and drinks. price. That's only you can do. You just can look at it and look at it. Order something. That's the only thing you can do to entertain yourself. Or you can just look outside the window to see something you never see before. The ocean, cities, like especially during the night. And that's actually nothing else to do. Look at the light during the night, and yeah, unless you're the night. When you see light, then you'll be feeling alright. Okay, now it's time to take flight number 2, FDG-183. I just realized I haven't posted that in a considerate, so now I'm in Bangkok, so I'm gonna post 2 planes. Okay, now I'm gonna get on the plane, but before that, let's go. No, Nam. See you next year. See you next year. No, Nam. Bye bye. Bye bye, no, Nam. See you next year. Be a good girl. Best airline in the world. They say they're gonna finish the international terminal in 6 years. What is taking them so long? It's a 7-year vending machine and a dumping in Nigeria. No car, Thailand AirAsia. I think no one has ever moved in a considerable airport before. It's my birthplace airport hometown. Here is the restaurant. I think so. Yeah. And over there is the downstairs, which I will show you. But so this is Kopi Airport. So thank you for giving the last Kopi 2023. Look at this Lion airplane. Not to be confused with Ryanair. I really want to fly on Ryanair, but it's a Lion airplane. I think it's the best plane in Thailand. Maybe. I never fly on Thai Airways before, but maybe I live a little bit. But this has been my favorite airline in Thailand for a very long time. Lion Air. Here are more details on this Lion Air plane. On view. Wait, there's a plane landing right there. Oh my. Maybe it's our plane, or maybe it's any else plane, but shops, wow. There used to be a very metro wall around here, very big, but now it's connected to another terminal. I went on the gate 20, this gate 1, this gate 2, this gate 1, this gate 2 and 3. Yeah, Chester City. It's AirAsia. My plane. Yeah, Chester City. I'm so happy. They're gonna get mad if I just record this. It's an air, but why are these engines so loud? Okay, now it's time to get to our seats. Okay, now it was time to put the luggage wheel in the overhead compartment. Remember to fasten your seatbelt, kids. Guess what? I got the front of the plane seat, like the bucket seat. That's what you call it, but this is the bucket seat. It means the front of the plane seat. And yeah, I will really not want to review this seat. Here's a quick look under the seat. Here's the moment before the plane door closes, and here's me putting my bag under the seat because you need to.
International Airport. The commodity flight is
Seated. Please be reminded that all AirAsia flights are non-smoking flights. Smoking is forbidden anywhere.
Do you know that these little holes help the cabin and air pressure stay at the same level of balance? Now it's time for some snack time, which I got this little lemon tea for free because of my family members. It's a AirAsia VIP hot seat member, and we don't have to pay 60 baht for it, normally 60 baht, or about less than 2 euros. Also, since I'm it's all way too loud. Also, since I'm in the front of the plane seat, I get this where you put your snacks, tray table, and this is the front of it. Look, and here's the cup and everything, and it fell. This is just slit. And here's some orange green tea. I don't know what's called orange green tea, but that's how you kind of put it so it doesn't fall. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. And yeah, I think it's also 60 baht, but this is a really good idea to not let it fall. And here, an actually super additional ad. And I want to drink this Lipton that I like. I already tried it in the island, but this time it's iced. Let's try this. It is good. Pretty overpriced, but it's still very good.
such as AirAsia polo shirt.
They're saying if you want something from like some souvenirs of Asia, Lego sets or whatever, you can contact the cabin crew and buy it. Now, to be honest, I'm gonna review the restroom because I literally seen everybody on YouTube do that for literally no reason. I don't know why. Here's the restroom. In front, I can go back because I'm in the VIP. I'm in the VIP seat, and why I wanted to turn it on. So this is like kind of hot. Then turn on the temperature how much you want. Then there's the toilet paper. I mean the tissue paper first. Yes, where you flush your whatever you do with that. But yes, the but now I gotta go so. Okay, now it's about the time when we started descending, and now actually we just landed right now. Now we're taking our seatbelt off and taking our bag, and it's done. This flight number 2, hot seat, buckle seat. I'm honest, of course, I really like the livery. Okay. Okay, now seriously, I have landed in Dongmyeong.
Public activity good to be contact in Asia activity FD from food FD.
So I don't know if I explained this yet, but I promise to tell you about an Asia hot seat is. An Asia hot seat is basically like VIP. It's basically first class, business class, but on AirAsia, it will not look like first class or business class because AirAsia is a low budget airline. And guess what? I flew on this airline for like over 60 or 70 times already, so I know everything about this. And most of the time, like half of them are hot seat, and hot seat is just like VIP. You can book it. You can book it from there. It will be more expensive, but if you like in Thailand, around Thailand, if you spend 200,000 baht in AirAsia, you will become a VIP member, and then you can get hot seats for some flights, and maybe even some discount as well. But inflation has been going so far. About 10 years ago, a flight from Nakhon Sithamrat to Don Mueang is only like about 100 to 500 baht. But now, from like Nakhon Sithamrat to Don Mueang to Nakhon Sithamrat, one round trip is about 3,700 baht or 1,650 baht, around that. So inflation is also a big problem as well. Around 1,200 baht nowadays, because inflation has been going up and hot seat could be even more expensive more. But yeah, that's for an Asia hot seat, please. And hopefully the flight will get a lower discount and won't be this much expensive anymore.